We need our phones to constantly remind us of tasks. So having the best app to do that is essential. In this video, we'll look at my 5 best free reminder apps. So let's jump in. The best ever reminder app that made me buy its premium version is TickTick. It lets us add reminders with descriptions and with the daily, weekly, monthly and yearly repeat options. The interface can display reminders by due time and priority. When you add a reminder, it lets you add the title, any description, priority, label and attachments. Smart suggestions are also part of it, so if you type 12 PM tomorrow, it will automatically set the reminder for 12 PM tomorrow. Its calendar view is here to track reminders for the whole week or month. A reminder can be an event with duration as well, making it easier to ditch planners and calendars. TickTick also syncs reminders across devices, so you can add them and complete them anywhere. Last but not least, it offers lots of widgets, including the most famous Pomodoro timer to help you stay focused. There's a lot more to this app, but you get the idea why it's the best. For tech-savvy people loyal to Microsoft To Do integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft apps. It has a few pre-made lists, including your day, important and planned. We can create lists to organize reminders. Adding a task asks if you want to be reminded about it and any repetitions. We can set a due date if need be. It also suggests reminders based on your history, which is something cool. For those who want to go all into reminders, this My Day lets you add tasks for the day. You can add a widget for it to complete them as you go. To Do supports collaboration and users can assign new tasks with reminders. Other noticeable options are adding subtasks, adding an existing reminder to your day, adding files, notes and more. Alright, the next one may not be the most advanced because it offers more features in its premium plans, but still we get plenty from any.do. The task interface has a nice sorted list with due date and time. We also see the completed reminders. Creating a reminder shows some timing suggestions and it understands the wording like TickTick. So you can just type the day and time to create it. Creating priorities and adding tags are part of it. Furthermore, it has a My Day interface to see all the tasks for today. I have a few lists here as well, and you can create your own to separate your work and personal life. Lastly, the calendar view shows your reminders on a day-by-day basis with all the public holidays in your local area. AnyDo is not the best in the world, but it has a reputation of being a trusted program used by productivity enthusiasts. Alright, the search further led me to this tasks app. Built by a small team, it does what the rest can do. Every task has to be in a list and we can create multiple of those to organize our tasks. Each list gets a new color and the tasks and reminders sit here. Adding a new task gives us options to add subtasks, notes, attachments, tags, a due date, a reminder and a priority. Whatever info you add is visible under the task. To create a reminder, we must set due date for it and then simply remind ourselves at the due time or before. It has a premium plan mostly for syncing your devices. The rest is free. Tasks may not be from a big corporation, but it's definitely an app worth trying. If you're looking for something simple, we have Google Tasks. I haven't used it in a while, but this plain and simple app does the job. All the tasks live in My Tasks. We can create lists to separate the type of tasks to be reminded of. Adding a task lets us add the title and description, pick a date and time, set repetition options and mark it as important to see it in the start area. A created list can be added to the home screen as a widget, so you can add tasks and get reminded without even opening the app. It syncs reminders across devices and you can access them on a desktop by visiting any of the Google Workspace websites. Tasks may not be the most advanced reminder app, but it is certainly the simplest. With that being covered, I'll end the video here. Thank you for watching it. I'll see you next time. Take care.